Syndicate Bank, because of the vast network it has developed over years, today it is 3,135 branches and 41 regions. So what we thought so far, most of the regions, barring Hyderabad, Bombay, Delhi, all are headed by deputy general managers. We thought there should be a nearest general manager for every regional manager, because we are sitting in Manipal or Bangalore. We are not we are our phone, they can contact us. Still, we thought there should be near to RO one regional head, a general manager. So we have created a structure called Field General Manager Office. That is not having a full-fledged office to work as a one more tier in the organization. He is like a mobile general manager. He will go to all the branches, ROs, and make them work and get the customer feedback, etc. Like that, it is called Field General Manager. It is not the fourth tier in the structure. And he will be responsible for the overall development of the regions where he is allotted. For in the case of Andhra Pradesh, this is the FGM, Hyderabad is the FGM office. They will take care of entire 6 regions of Andhra Pradesh here. Like that, every FGM will take care of his own dedicated regions. So he should be a counselor or mentor for the entire all the regions and should get the results done. And of course, they are also creating 2 regions day after tomorrow, one at Ongole and Madurai. Ongole we have done symbolically today. And similarly, Madurai is also part of Tamil Nadu. We are opening the new region. So that is the expansion plan. And business-wise, we are expecting to cross 4,02,000 crores by next March. Total business is 3,46,000 crores as on September. In that, the growth rate of deposits is 22% year on year. And advances growth is 21%. It includes our London performance. London business is around 57,000 crores of the total business of Syndicate Bank. And their contribution is good. Last year they have done good job. So this year also the London branch is doing well. And apart from that, the local banks, we are trying to improve the domestic business, particularly in terms of increasing the retail lending. Under housing, vehicle and gold loans, we are under as a festive dhamaka or festive bonanza. A lot of incentives are given to the customers. Now housing loan rate of interest are slashed to base rate, that is 10.25 for the existing as well as new customers. Similarly, 4-wheeler loans, 2-wheeler loans, we are giving a lot of support. Similarly, we are also creating mid-corporate branches, MSME CPCs, that is Central Processing Centers for small and marginal these industries, so that the small credit can grow and small customer needs can be met. In Hyderabad also we will be shortly opening a CPC, Central Cell for SME Processing.
So come to the expansion plans.
Our bank expansion plan, I told you by next March, we want to make it 3,200 branches. By 15th March, 3,450 branches. We are also thinking of, now we got one London branch. We want to open, we want to approach Reserve Bank of India for licenses to open branches in Dubai and South African country. Similarly, this Southeast countries also we are trying. At least 2-3 licenses we want to secure. Our board is discussing. Shortly we will approach Reserve Bank of India. And government has given as consent to provide 200 crores capital to the bank last week. That has come last week. Though bank has got good capital adequacy ratio of 11.94, still the 200 crores given by the government, we will at the right time will take from them. And we got the option also to go to QIP for around 1,500 crores, and rights issue is also available. So as per the market situations, we will be going to raise the rights issue or QIP. And government capital, whenever they make it ready, we will take that capital also. As of now, the ratio is very good for a Syndicate Bank, 11.94. It is good for taking the business forward. There is no issue. Thank you. Thank you.